Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to blur chats, profile pictures, and messages on WhatsApp web step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension store. In the search bar, type privacy extension for WhatsApp web. Find the extension and click Add to Chrome, or the equivalent button, to install it. Once the extension is installed, you'll see its icon in your browser toolbar, usually at the top right. Next, open WhatsApp web and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Now, click the extension icon to open its settings, look for the blur feature, and enable it. You can customize which elements to blur, such as profile pictures, media, specific messages, or everything. Toggle the options according to your preferences. The blur effect won't interfere with using WhatsApp. You can hover over blurred content to view it clearly. If you don't see the blurring in action, refresh your browser to ensure the extension is fully activated. And that's it. By following these steps, you can maintain your privacy while using WhatsApp web on a shared or public device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.